everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is your Ate Bella. For today's video, isasama namin kayo during our trip sa Ticao Island, Masbate. So today is mag-island hopping tayo at dalawa yung destination natin sa ating island hopping. But yeah, for now is pupunta tayo sa Talisay, San Fernando, Masbate kung saan hihintayin natin yung sasakyan natin sa ating island hopping, which is yung boat. So by the way, during our trip, kinikwento na ni Doc kung ano yung i-expect natin sa ating pupuntahang island. We are finally here in Talisay, San Fernando, Masbate. So tingnan nyo naman yung view, hindi kayo malulugi, be. At dito hihintay natin yung boat. So, take the moment to appreciate. And now we are finally here sa boat kung saan tayo ay dadalhin sa mga destinasyon natin. So yeah, please lang, panoorin mabuti kung gaano kaganda, gaano ka crystal clear ang Ticao Island, Masbate. Tignan nyo naman, be. Tignan nyo gaano kalinis at ka-crystal clear ang tubig sa Ticao Island, Masbate. Grabe yung mga tao dito, maalaga sa kalikasan, unlike you, char lang. Anyway, sa sobrang linis ng tubig, kasing linis na ng bujiko. But anyhow, yung yung travel time nito papunta sa island is 45 minutes to 1 hour. We are finally here at Katandayagan Falls. Sobrang ganda ng view, sobrang ganda ng falls, sobrang ganda ng tubig. At alam nyo ba, ako lang mag-isang tumalon dyan kasi natatakot at yung iba hindi masyadong marunong lumangoy. So wala, naging pambato ako but sobrang, oh my god, core memory ko yun. Kasi first time in history, ako lang mag-isang lumangoy. Not actually ako lang, kasi si Doc lumangoy din siya, but for a visitor, visitor. But anyhow, ang ganda-ganda ng view, be. As in, super ganda, super worth it ng view. So anyway, kaya pala kaunti lang yung water na from falls kasi nga summer, so El Nino type tayo, but look at the view naman, hindi matatawaran yung view, hindi matatawaran yung ganda ng kalikasan, lalo na sa isang island like Ticao Island. Sobrang linis, as in. Ang cute at ang ganda ko sa mga pictures, no? Parang sarap sakalin. At anyway. So after nito is pupunta tayo sa Burubang Castle Rock Formation, as in I'm telling you, ang gondo! We are finally here! Burubang Castle Rock Formation. Look at the view.
We are here in Burubangcaso Island, and before we swim, we have to eat our food first for lunch. Okay? Thanks again, and we
Thank
arrived
you,
safe.
Lord, for the safe trip.
Kasama yung panahon.
Tignan nyo naman yun, guys. Isn't it amazing? Sobrang ganda, di ba? Oh my God.
Na ba? Hi! Ito tayo sa ilalim.
Anyways, here are some clips during our stay in Burubang Castle Rock Formation kasi wala kami masyadong video kasi nga po, limited lang yung time namin sa aming stay dito. 3 hours lang kasi nga medyo makulimlim na, and also nung pauwi kami, medyo umaalon na siya, kaya but yeah, thank God we are safe and alive. So for now, appreciate the view. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are still here kahit na medyo mahaba yung video natin. Anyway, I just want to thank my mother-in-law, Nanay Ems. Thank you so much for the another memory that we have. And thank you so much then kay Ate Eden, kay Sir Ninong, and kay Ate Jane, and to everyone who is part of this core memory that I have on this adventure. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, also thank you to Doc Marcus kasi dinala niya kami dito. But yeah, thank you, Lord, for this memory, and thank you, Nanay Ems. Diba, nakita nyo, sobrang ganda ng view, sobrang linis ng tubig. And ito na, yung pauwi na kami. Sobrang kinabahan ako, especially dahil may mga kasama kaming bata and also seniors. But thank you, Lord, talaga, at naging safe kaming nakauwi. At dito sa part na to, nag-umpisa yung kaba, yung takot, kasi lumalaki na yung alon, at saka ang itim na ng paligid kasi nga malakas yung ulan sa dulong bahagi or sa kabilang bahagi ng island. But thank you, Lord, kasi kahit papano nakauwi kami ng ligtas. So ayun, wala akong masyadong video during the trip na pauwi kasi nga inalalayan ko pa yung sarili ko at also Sir Ninong. But yeah, the island hopping adventure has come to an end. Again, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye! Mwah!